poitika hondo munyika yeSouth Africa patiri kuona kuti nhau yevhenyu yekuuploadwa the forthcoming SADC summit munyika yeZimbabwe, toona kuti government yemunyika yeSouth Africa poita a-clash between the ANC neDA. Napinda mashoko ayo anobuda nyogwa panapa nodibwa subscribe like turn on the bell icon. So amoziva ayo maheadline emaburitsa tichiona DA aiwa ichikona ichisa mutungamiri wayo Ramaphosa pakona vachiti aiwa toda kuti SADC summit ibviswe iswe kune imwe venue. Panapa muna umwe kwa mchinzi South Africa's largest political party, the African National Congress ANC, has rejected a call by the Democratic Alliance DA to move the 44th SADC summit from Zimbabwe to another country. Last week, the DA urged the South African Development Community SADC to relocate the summit from Harare following the Zimbabwean government's intensified crackdown on democracy activists. However, addressing reporters over the weekend, acting ANC spokesperson Zuko Golimpi said South Africa does not run away from conflict areas and would instead address the alleged political violence in Zimbabwe as part of the SADC summit discussions. Satikona kuti kurwa kwavari kuita uko vakombana veparliament yeANC zvakulida up kuti tikona kuti ANC yakuti aiwa patianopinda musummit iriko muno muna August toda kudiscussa this issue. Ameno muri Zimbabwe takutondo South Africa yakuto-leader up to resolve dispute munyika yeZimbabwe. Ameno, is it viable? Munofunga kuti pane change ingaitika here apa? Pinda comment section medu mutudze mafungiro enyu, musangano subscribe like, turn on the bell icon.